Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you a full installation on this FIMEI ceiling fan with light, as well as details and things you should know at the very end, as well as how to use it. So let's get started. So once you open it up, you're going to lay it out. You're going to have the ceiling fans, the lighting, the motor housing, also the mount for the ceiling, the hub, as well as a remote control to control everything with. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to remove the 3 screws that are on the copper casing. To remove that at the top gently, just like this. Once that's done, you're going to turn it around and there's going to be 6 screws at the bottom that you're also going to gently remove here. So with this, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or a flathead to remove anything, and those are essentially the 2 tools you'll need. So you can see here, all the screws are removed, and then now you're ready to insert your blades. You're going to insert your 3 blades here. Make sure that this side up is at the top. It's going to take a little bit of a wiggle room, but you'll slowly get there, and make sure they align with the holes. And then once your blades are on and aligned, you're going to re-screw all those screws back. So it's going to be 3 screws at the top and then 6 screws at the bottom. Right here, you're going to put them back on. So right after that, you're going to put back the copper casing that you removed previously. On top, you're going to put the white motor housing over top of that and then align the screws. There's 3 screws that you need to align together. Once that's done, you're going to have to jig a little bit again. You're going to screw them in just to tighten it. I will say with this time I will let you know from start to finish, it took me about 30 minutes to do all together. I apologize for my hair in the way. And so I would set aside that time, make sure to read the instructions properly, just to make sure that it's properly set up and screwed tightly. It is a fan, so once the fan starts going, it's quite strong. You want to make sure everything is secured quite tightly. So you see me here screwing everything in, and then you're going to take that time to do it with your Phillips screwdriver. And then this is what you should have here. And now we're going to flip it over to install the lamp. You're going to have some pre-assembled screws that you're going to have to take out, and then you're going to put this lid on here, screw it through, and then once you have that secured in, you're going to then put back that screw that you unassembled previously and screw all of those in tightly. You're then going to take the LED light and then insert it there and align it properly. Once that's done, you got to connect the LED board essentially to the block. So you're going to put that in there. Make sure it's tight, and that's essentially it. There's essentially 2 more steps before you're done. You're going to insert the lamp cover just like that, twist it right over, and this is what it's going to look like here. I'm just going to spin the fan so you can see how it works really quickly. You're going to turn it back over, and then you're actually going to place the controller inside the motor. So this is the motor. There's 2 areas that you need to connect essentially. So you're going to do the first one here, put the green piece in, and then there's 1 more. The controller is going to hide inside this motor hub when you install it. So once you mount this up in the ceiling, you're not going to see it at all. All right, now it's time to mount it. So you're going to take your ceiling mount here, mount it onto the ceiling, and then essentially screw this on top over it and then secure it all tightly. So I do need to mention, before you install it, make sure to turn off your breakers, be safe about it. This does make it easier if you have 2 people to install it. I had my husband hold it while I put it up, and ta-da, this is what it looks like. To show you how this works here, once you sync your remote control, you can turn the light on just like this. It's got 3 different light color settings from yellow to neutral to white, and then you can increase the brightness and reduce it based on your preference. I have a 150 square foot room. This is perfect for it. It gives just the right amount of light. And then I'm going to show you the fan here. I'm going to turn the fan on. Setting number 1, it has 6 settings altogether. It goes pretty fast for 1 setting, but it is super quiet and it actually does move quite well. This is why you really need to secure it to your ceiling, because 6 is very, very strong. Overall, super happy with the results on this one. It does come in 3 colors. I have natural, it comes in white and black as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy the fan as well. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.